Hello guys, in this video session I will be showing you how to remove the background of any portrait picture within 30 seconds. So for that you will need one application called Remove BG. So just go to the Play Store and type Remove BG and search for that application. Tap on install and install the application in your mobile phones. It's a 2.51 MB file, very small file. Just wait for this application to get installed on your mobile phone. Once the application is installed, tap on open that you can see on bottom and run this application. So once the application is started, so you will get to see this kind of interface. So just tap on upload image icon that you can see and allow the permissions for the first time. And when you tap on that upload image, so you will get all these options to select the image from. So choose gallery, and from gallery, so choose any portrait picture that you want to change the background for. I'm going to select one of the image from here. Let me select this picture. So the image will get uploaded and the background will be automatically erased by this application. So this is an AI application. Artificial intelligence works behind this. Artificial intelligence is the technology which works for this application. So here if you want to download this image with erased background, so you can tap on download option that you can see on bottom of that image. So the image will get saved in your gallery. So if you want to change the background of this image, so you will get lot of other features also here. For that, so you need to tap on that edit option on top right side corner of that image. Let me show you. So here now we are in edit window. So here you will get lot of features to change the background of that image. If you want a blurry background, so there are 4 options here for changing the background with a blurry background. So if I tap on that, see, you can see the background is blurred. If you want more blurry background, so tap on the second one, so you will get more blurry background image. And if you want further more blurry background image, so tap on the third image, so you will get like this. If you want to save this image, edited image in your gallery, so just tap on the download option that you can see on top right corner of that image. If you tap on that, so you will get 2 options here. So share image, download image. So if you want to share this image directly from here to anyone on WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram, so you can do it from here. If you want to save the image into your gallery in your mobile phone, so just tap on download image. So it will ask these options where to save. So I will choose view in photos and tap on save. So the photo will get saved in the gallery of your mobile phone. So here you can see on the second row, so there are so many random background images. If you want to set any of these, so you just go ahead and tap on this. The background will get automatically set to that particular background image. And if you want to save this, so again just tap on the download option and you will get the options there to save that image in your gallery. So in case if you want to set some plain color background for that for your portrait photo, so there are the options for that also here on the third row. So whichever the color you want to set in the background, so just go ahead and select. And again, if you want to save any photo, so there you just tap on the download option and the image will get saved in your gallery. And in case if you find any part of your actual image is being erased by that application automatically, so you have the option for that to correct. So you can see that second tab, erase or restore. So just tap on that and you will get the option to restore there. So you can tap on that, and so whichever the part that you need to include in that image, so you can recover that. Okay, that's it in this video session. So if you got to learn something in this video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.